Welcome back. Our WordPress theme is beginning to take really good shape, and this video is all about making the blog posts even more customizable by adding the post class function. If you want to find out some more information about the post class, just head over to the WordPress codex and search for the function of post class. But basically, adding the post class to our theme allows the WordPress theme authors to have better CSS control over the posts. So for example, we can set CSS values for the posts by their ID or by their category name. So we can maybe have the blog with different background colors depending on the category name or the tag. So as an example, I'm going to put this into our theme and allow styling by the ID. So currently, if we go into our blog and if we go into the blog section, and then if we go into the Chrome Developer Tools, right click Inspect Element, and then if we use the magnifying glass and if we search for one of the blogs which has the class of blog post, and then take a look, you can see that the div has a class of blog post but there's no individual ID. So if we wanted to style individual posts, we couldn't do that because all the posts have the same class. So let's add an individual ID to each one of these blog posts. So just close that down for now. And then if you go back over to the codex, then underneath the usage heading, copy the PHP, then go to the index page, and then find the div with the class of blog post, and then just delete this line, and then paste in the PHP. So this will now add a custom ID to each one of the blog posts. So we just deleted the class of blog post, so let's add that back in now. And then save that. And then if we refresh the blog, and then we'll go back into the developer tools as we've done before. And then hit the magnifying glass and select the blog post. So now if you look on the right hand side, you can see that the post still has the class of blog post, but straight after it, there's now a generated ID. So if we wanted to style this individual post, we've now got a reference for the CSS. And you can use this in a similar kind of way if you wanted to use a category name or any of the other values on there. Okay, and we'll just head over to the CSS and check this is working okay. So we've got a blog post ID of 50 there. And then we should have a unique one below. So this is a post of 40, and you can see there's 38, 36, 34. So we'll just head over to the style.css. And then if you go to the blog section, I'm just going to add one style into here. So the ID of post-50, which is the top one. And to check it's working, we'll just give it a background color. And we'll just set this to BBB and save that. And 50 was the top one, so hit refresh. So there we go. So the background color is changed to grey, and that's because this has a unique ID. So therefore the styling will only take place for this blog post. So hopefully that's give you some ideas of how you can customize and style your theme. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.